My name is Nigel Smalls from infraredaustralia.com.au, and I'm here to show you how to put the grill on the front of a Heliosa 11 shortwave infrared heater. So this is a Heliosa 11, comes in a nice picture box. I'm going to put the grill on. Now this comes with this piece of tape holding it up. Find a way of getting into that, either with a knife or going with a pair of scissors. Open the box up and you'll see the grill on the top. The grill, we believe in Australia, should be put on every single heater to stop accidents potentially happening. And so we're going to show you how to do that. Instruction manual. Now, it comes in a case, but I'm not going to take that out because it's so small a heater. The best way to put it on is, you see these are on the side and they're located into holes on the side. We usually go with the curved pieces on the top and the straight pieces underneath. You simply put into one side and flex it upwards to the other side and push it in. It is actually a little bit loose on this, but that doesn't matter. It provides some protection from hands getting onto the emitter. That bulb can get at the emitter to 2200 degrees centigrade, so you certainly don't want to touch it or have any risk of anybody else doing so. That's how you install the grill on the front of a Heliosa 11 shortwave infrared heater. For more information, visit infraredheating.com.au or infraredaustralia.com.au.